Can't even see him.
Just see. Nate, tell us what you got on.
Pretty sure got myself a 60-pounder. Oh.
Nate is hooked up, and we're almost positive it is a tuna. He's been fighting it for over 5 minutes, and it's taken a few hundred line.
That's a tuna. That's the tuna bounce right there. That's the tuna dance.
You're getting some line on him finally.
Until it takes it again.
Oh, he's going to take it again.
You want to switch?
You want?
Oh yeah, I do. I need help. Had to pass the old rod off to my apprentice here. How's he feel, Scott?
The rod's so buried between my nutsack.
He feels like a grander, huh?
I'll be honest, guys. I've fought tuna before, but there's nothing like this.
Feels like a grander, eh?
Really?
He's probably only 40. That's the sad part. Shit, son. And we still got him down. Yeah, he's still in 200.
Okay, we've been fighting. Me and Nate have been passing off. The tuna's right here in the water. He's going in circle. Nate has hooked this tuna, and he's just going in big circles. And we're getting ready to see that there he is.
You ready for gas? You ready for gas? Gas. Gas. It's okay, it's okay. One more time,
Had to go, had to go. Whoa! Yeah, boy! Yeah! Yeah!
Wow.
No,
38.
no way.
Yep.
That is incredible. Wow.
Just a little